Hi and welcome to the video tutorial of modeling with spreadsheets. I Sagar Guglia in this video going to teach you cell referencing, types of cell referencing and their applications. A cell reference means the cell to which another cell refers. For example, if in cell A1 you have equals to cell A2, then A1 refers to A2. There are five types of cell referencing: absolute cell referencing, relative cell referencing, mixed cell referencing, circular referencing, and reference to worksheets. I will be explaining you each type of cell referencing in details in coming tutorial. Let's come to the relative cell referencing. Consider a fruit seller wants to generate a bill for a customer who purchased following items having given price: banana, apple, mango and peru. To calculate the total value for banana customer paid, we will multiply the quantity of banana with the price of banana and it will be calculated. Now to calculate similarly for apple, mango and peru, we will copy the formula and paste it to the cell E6, E7 and E8, which will take the relative cells in that row, cell C6 into cell D6. This is called relative cell referencing. Excel take the relative cell referencing by default. In some situations, we need some data to be fixed to be a part of different cells, so we need to fix the cell. We can do it by absolute cell referencing. To understand absolute cell referencing, consider the following data. Suppose we need to calculate the interest on the loan outstanding in each month and the interest rate for the bank is given, which can change dynamically from bank to bank. Suppose we want to calculate the interest for January month, then we will multiply cell D3 with cell I5 and the interest will be calculated. Now suppose if we copy this formula in the below cell, it will calculate interest at 0, which is the wrong. Actually it took the value from cell D4 and the value from cell I6, but we need to take the value from cell I5, so we need to fix the cell I5. To fix the cell I5, in this case we will write $sign before the letter I and before the row number 5, and the cell I5 will be fixed. Now if we calculate the copy this cell to the next cell, interest will be calculated correctly. It will take the cell I5, which is the absolute cell referencing. Now I will tell you about mixed cell referencing. To understand the mixed cell referencing, consider the following example. Suppose you are a food grains merchant who keeps track of sold value and inventory available of each item every day. Suppose the beginning inventory on Monday of soybean is 100 and the cost per kg is 25, and you sold 40 kilos of soybean on Monday, so the sold value will be equals to the monthly sales into the cost. Similarly, the ending inventory will be the beginning inventory minus your sales, so it will be 60 kg. Now if I have to calculate the value of the inventory at the end of the day, I have to multiply the ending inventory with the same cost. But if I copy this value from cell G3 to cell I3, then it will calculate 60,000, which is a wrong value, which multiplied cell G3 and H3. But we need to multiply the cell H3 and cell E3. So to fix this, we need to fix the column E. So we will write $E and a cell number, which means the column is fixed but the rows will move down. Enter. Now if you calculate this, copy this value to the next cells, it will calculate your value correctly, which multiplies the cell E6 with the cell H6 to calculate the inventory value of corn. This is all about mixed cell referencing. Now we come to circular referencing. A circular reference is when a formula refers to itself. For example, you cannot write C3 equal to C3 plus 1. This kind of calculation is called iteration, meaning it repeats itself. Excel does not support iteration because it calculates everything only one time. If you try to, suppose you want to calculate the sum of the cells given in the given table. So equals to sum of, by mistake you selected the cell F4, F5, F6, F7 and F8 and press enter. It will show you the pop-up window which says, careful, we found one or more circular references in your workbook that might cause your formula to calculate incorrectly. If you click OK, it will show you the value 0, means this is the error. Excel only tells you that you have a circular reference at the bottom of the screen, so you might not notice it. If you do have a circular reference and close a spreadsheet and open it again, Excel will tell you in a pop-up window that you have a circular reference. Let's try it. It shows you the pop-up window about circular referencing. Press OK and rewrite the formula to remove the circular referencing, which will calculate it correctly. Now I'll come to the final referencing type, reference to other worksheets. Suppose I need to have the date in each page, each worksheet. I want the date from the main worksheet, which is given here in cell O12 in the worksheet reference to worksheets in cell F2. So I will type equals to it will take the date from main sheet. Let's look at the formula. The sheet name, exclamation mark and the cell name. This is called reference to other worksheets. Thank you for listening and understanding how the cell referencing works.